Hello everybody, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Build My Life by Housefires. This song was suggested by nkinsey12. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Now if anybody else would like to leave me song suggestions, just put them in the comment section down below. Alright, now I'll go ahead and play the song for you, and then at the end I'll break it down for you in more detail.
Worthy of every song we could ever sing, worthy of all the praise we could ever bring, worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you. Jesus, a name above every other name. Jesus, the only one I could ever save. Worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you. Oh, we live for you. Holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder. Show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me. I will build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation. I will put my trust in you alone, and I will not be shaken. Holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder. Show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me.
Alright, so for this song we're using 5 chords from the E chord family. So we're using the E chord, the A2 chord, we have the B suspended, a C sharp minor, and then we're also using an F sharp minor as well. For the strumming of this song, we're using the hyperdrive pattern, which is an 8-beat pattern. If you're familiar with the driving pattern, which we have just down strums for 4 beats, this is going to be just down strums for 8 beats, okay? And then we add that up strum at the end, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and, okay? So after 8, we hit the up strum, and then we repeat. Now what's really going to make this pattern is the emphasis. We're adding emphasis on beats 1, 4, and 7. Okay, so we're strumming harder on those and softer on the others. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So if you're having a hard time with this pattern, break it down like that. Just mute your strings and practice it while you count the beats out loud, saying 1, 4, and 7 louder and more intensely than the others. For the other beats that you're not emphasizing, you don't even have to strum all the strings. You can get away with just strumming, 2 or 3 across the top. That's not necessarily a hard set rule. The idea is that you just want to add those dynamics. Louder, more intense strums on 1, 4, and 7, and softer, quieter strums on the rest. All right, if you'd like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.